BirchStreet Systems eProcurement, empowering you to transform, optimize, and save with the procurement management solution uniquely designed for the hospitality industry. Simplify the procurement process across multiple departments, locations, and business needs with real-time visibility into spend and compliance for all your locations and departments. BirchStreet Systems eProcurement solution provides you with the features of purchase requisitions, orders and receiving, for real-time tracking of purchase transactions and budget analysis. Request for quotes, electronically create and send requests for quotes to suppliers, while supplier catalogs maintain product catalogs with real-time pricing. And our solution supports multiple ways to add and onboard suppliers. Checkbook Drill Down provides you purchase transaction tracking and budget analysis, while advanced workflow approvals create the right approval processes for your business. Custom order guides easily compile a list of frequently ordered items and products. And our analytics and data warehouse provides you the business intelligence you need. BirchStreet Systems customers realize significant cost savings and productivity gains from digitizing their procurement processes. With a compliance rate of over 80%, an overall savings of 7 to 10%, productivity gain from automating procurement of 10 to 30%, reducing approval time from days to just minutes. Discover how our eProcurement solution can save you valuable money and time. To request a demonstration, visit BirchStreetSystems.com.